Have you ever wondered if your Koho account is actually a bank account? It's a question that has puzzled many people, and with good reason. Koho is a unique financial product that offers many of the same features as a traditional bank account, but with a few key differences. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of Koho and explore whether or not it truly qualifies as a bank account. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a step back and understand what a bank account actually is. A bank account is a financial product that allows you to deposit and withdraw money. It's a place where you can store your funds safely and access them when you need them. Banks are regulated by financial authorities, which ensures that they operate within certain guidelines and protect the interests of their customers. Now, let's take a closer look at Koho. Koho is a prepaid card and mobile app that offers a variety of financial services. It allows you to load money onto your card and use it to make purchases. You can also track your spending, set budgets, and earn rewards. So, on the surface, it seems like Koho could be considered a bank account. However, there are some key differences between Koho and traditional bank accounts. For one, Koho is not a bank. It's a financial technology company that partners with banks to provide its services. This means that Koho doesn't have the same regulatory oversight as a traditional bank. Another important difference is that Koho doesn't offer the same range of banking services as a traditional bank. For example, you can't get a loan or a mortgage through Koho. You also can't write checks or use Koho for wire transfers. So, is Koho a bank account? The answer is not entirely clear-cut. While it offers many of the same features as a bank account, it's not technically a bank. The debate continues, and there is no definitive answer. Ultimately, whether or not Koho is considered a bank account is a matter of perspective. If you're looking for a convenient and affordable way to manage your finances, Koho can be a great option. However, it's important to understand that it's not a substitute for a traditional bank account. In conclusion, Koho is a unique financial product that offers many of the same features as a bank account, but with a few key differences. Whether or not you consider it a bank account is up to you. The important thing is to understand the pros and cons of using Koho and to choose the financial products that best suit your needs. If you're interested in learning more about Koho or other financial products, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.